In this Steegle video, I'll show you how to add and configure an image carousel in Google Sites. Open the right-hand Insert panel, scroll down, and select Image Carousel. Click the Add Image icon, choose Select Image, and navigate to your photos in Google Drive or upload them from your computer. Select at least 2 or more images and click Insert. You can also click and drag the cards to rearrange their order. Hover over any image card to add alt text for accessibility or add a text caption. Click the Settings gear icon in the top right corner to customize playback options. Here, you can enable progress dots, show captions underneath images, toggle auto start, and set the slide transition speed. Once configured, click Insert. Resize the carousel section using the blue grab handles to adjust the carousel view. And once satisfied, you can click the top preview icon to test the interactive slideshow live and exit preview mode when done. That's it. You've added an image carousel in Google Sites. This tutorial was provided by Steegle.